It's crowded. Lot of things. It's really very big market. I don't know the names, but yeah, I just know they are like vegetarian items and sweet kind of. No, these fruits. Yeah, and we are doing the bargaining.
Namaste.
One of the biggest shopping complexes here. This fountain is looking good now. Hello everyone, welcome back on another day with another video. Right now I am in Almaty, and this which you are seeing behind me is the Green Bazaar. It is one of the biggest market in Almaty city, and here people buy generally vegetables, fruits, meat and groceries also. So from the top view I will show you how this is looking. Now we will go downstairs and I will show you from the entrance how it looks from inside and outside. These are the small stalls outside Green Bazaar, and here is the bus standing. Now we will go inside this. Maybe we'll buy some souvenirs from here. Just when we enter, we see a lot of dry fruits and it's crowded. Lot of things. It's really very big market. And later we will see bread and fruits. So I will just see what I need and I can buy. This is the Green Bazaar and it's really very huge. These are some sweet and made of maybe some nuts together mixing with something. I don't know the names, but yeah, I just know they are like vegetarian items and sweet kind of. This is kind of meat area and I don't know what's written, but from the image it looks like buffalo or cow. And here it looks like the pickle area. I'm thinking of buying something that I can take in flight. Here the history of this bazaar is written and it goes back to 1868. These are honey and candles. Since we can't take the liquid item, I'm thinking of taking the dry fruits, and here I'm buying all the dry fruits which I can from 200 grams each. No, these fruits, yeah. I bought the dry fruits. Now I'm thinking to buy a raspberry and this sweet thing. So here he speaks little bit Hindi and we are doing the bargaining.
Namaste. That's good.
3,100 on discount. Okay.
Thank you, my friend.
I came outside from that vegetable market, and outside they are selling lot of clothes. Here are cafes also. So it's like you can easily spend few hours. I also bought this kind of memory from Kazakhstan, and now we'll see if there is anything in clothes section which I can buy. This reminds me kind of market of Delhi. In this market you will get everything from clothes, vegetables, fruits, and it's just expanding more and more with time. Also with this shed you don't feel heat inside. I just came to know that there is a cathedral here nearby which remains open till 5 p.m. So I'm walking and going towards that. Now it's red signal, and there you can see there is yellow building. That's the church, I think. They are feeding pigeons, that's why they are in large numbers. This is the city of children only, it looks like. They are trying to catch the pigeon. It's written with arrow that entrance is on another side. So we are going to another side. I think we came from the back side, and from the front there is a statue also of this Guardsmen park. This is the dress code, and pictures not allowed. Ladies, cover your heads. So that was church from inside, and now I'm going towards the park here. These are all Christmas tree, and I'm walking in Guardsmen Park and going towards the Memorial of Glory. Here it's written 1941 to 1945, and there is a burning fire which remains burning forever, and this is for the soldiers who lost their lives in World War from 1941 to 1945, and they represent maybe countries of Soviet Unions. So there are like 7 or 8 faces representing that. Because of sunlight it's not clearly visible, so I will go little more closer, and there are foreigners here. From close it's really big and huge. Earlier I showed you Green Bazaar, and Cathedral. Now I am at the one of the biggest shopping complexes here. It's Mega Park, and it was constructed in 2006, and that time it was the biggest shopping complex of Central Asia. I can identify T-shirt and H&M. That was end of video. I explored the mall and it looks similar like we have in India, similar brands. Only few of their brands were like local ones, like Kazakh ones, which I could not identify. Now it's time to go back to our place. This fountain is looking good now. That's it for today. We'll see you again in next video. Bye bye. Good night.